Hello everyone, I am Vismay. Today I will show you functionality to send the quotation via WhatsApp Cloud API. I have developed one website namely Omega Group which provide the services of graphics, photography and other products. So here I have developed one functionality quotation. After adding the items, you will receive the quotation in WhatsApp via WhatsApp Cloud API. So first of all, I'm adding two items here. After adding the item details, you have to enter your name, phone, email and your message. After clicking on the submit button, receive you will receive the quotation via WhatsApp Cloud API in your WhatsApp account, which is you will receive on your WhatsApp number, which is provided here. So here I have opened the WhatsApp web where you will see the quotation PDF. Here it is. If you want to make this kind of functionality for your website or your business, you can contact me. Thanks.